Hi, third grade. Okay, if you're struggling kind of getting started with your paragraph, I want you to think about what a topic sentence is, what the role of a topic sentence is. If you remember, a topic sentence introduces to your reader what you're going to be writing about. It does not have specific information. It does not have those nitty-gritty great details in it, but it's a general sentence that tells the reader what they're going to be reading about. Okay, so let's take a look at a few sentences and you tell me which one you think would be a good topic sentence. Okay, so for example, here's one sentence. Is this a good complete sentence? All locusts, should be locusts, or all locusts migrate to find food. Okay, well that's true. They migrate to find food, and that's why they migrate, is to find food. But unless my whole paragraph is going to be about how they migrate to find food, then this wouldn't be a good topic sentence, right? And your assignment is to either compare how they're alike or to contrast how whales and locusts migrate differently. So that would be too specific of a sentence. Okay, next sentence. Whales and locusts migrate to find food. All right, well now I have both my whales and my locusts, but again, unless my whole paragraph is going to be telling about how they find food, then that's too specific for my topic sentence. All right, my third sentence, the migration of whales and locusts are alike in several ways. Okay, so I'm telling the reader that I'm going to be writing about the migration of whales and locusts and how they're alike. That would work, right? Very general. And then I could tell how they're alike. They're alike because they're both going to find food. They're alike because they do it by instinct. They're alike because they do it to survive, because without migrating, they couldn't live where they were, right? So that could be a good general topic sentence. Let's take a look at these. Okay, what if I wanted, instead of to tell how they're alike, I want to tell how they're different? The migration of whales and locusts are very different. Sure. While whales and locusts both migrate, their stories are vastly different. Sure. Okay, a very general sentence that tells your reader what you're writing about. If you want to get fancy, do you remember how we talked about ways to start our topic sentence? Do you remember we said you could ask a question, or you could use a sound word, or you could hook them in a way, right? So what do you think about this one? Time to move. Whales and locusts both migrate. Did that grab your attention a little bit? And then in that paragraph, I could tell about how they both migrate. And I could either tell how they're alike or how they're different. Okay? So remember, your topic sentence is going to tell the reader what you're going to write about. Then you're going to give all the meat, the really juicy details in the middle, and then you're going to have a conclusion sentence that kind of wraps it back up. Okay? So your conclusion sentences might seem similar to your topic sentences because they're more general. There's no specific details in those. All right? Good luck. Have fun. I miss you.